Hey, it's Jenny with the Wolek Group, Keller Realty in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Hello. Hey, I wanted to share this video because I had a friend that reached out to me and he asked a great question. He said, I am noticing a great return on my Met database. I am properly touching them and loving on them and I'm getting a great return. Now, I just need to know how to get more of them. Because of course we know the more Mets we have in our database, and when we are properly applying a 36 touch to them, that number should produce a 12-2 return on our database, right? Comes from the Millionaire Real Estate Agent. Well, how do we get more Mets? So off the cuff, here's what I came up with and threw at him, and I will preface this with none of these are my original ideas. So here you go. So the first thing I thought about was housewarming parties. So whether it's from Michael Marr's 7 Levels of Communication or many other teams and businesses out there that have implemented housewarming parties, this is an awesome way to build your database with Mets. Very simple. A buyer buys a house. During the process, you're setting them up for a housewarming party soon after. Now let them get settled where they're not stressed out, say maybe a month or so after closing, and then you're going to just ask them to provide you that you'd love to throw a housewarming party for them, for their friends and family, and all you need is their contact, their list of who they want to invite, and you'll take care of all of it for them. So you need names, phone numbers, email addresses, and home addresses of their friends. Now this is probably gonna be like 30 people or something, and you're going to be able to send invitations, reminders, calls to all of their friends, inviting them to the party. Afterwards, you have all their contact information. You've been at the event, you're the hero, you've hosted the event, and then you get out early and let them have fun. It's an awesome way to build your database and have some fun at the same time. Another one is, so a lot of us inside of our current databases, we have small business owners that are in our databases, so let's promote them. That's one way to add value to them. And then another one is what I called our preferred service partner program, where I would call our database and I would ask them, who do they know that has a great local business that I can get to know and help promote? So now you're plussing your database from people, and it's going to be another warm introduction, and now you've got to add new people to your database that can also add value to others and add to them. And lastly, this is a great idea, and it is just a simple way for some client events. If you're already hosting some low cost or easy swing by and have some fun kind of events, ask your people that have already agreed to come to invite a friend. So whenever they get there, you're going to gather their contact information. You're going to shake their hand or give them a warm hug, however you are with your greetings. And now you have captured new people with a warm relationship that can also now go in your database. So these are just some ideas. We know that when we properly work our Met database, that we can predict how much business that we should be able to generate off of them. And this is an easier business. A referral and relationship business is so much fun. You get to have a good time with your people. It's less stressful, easier to convert, and I highly encourage it. So have a great day. Let me know some of your ideas of ways that you can increase your Met database. See you later. Bye.